open this package on the video. So here we go.
My previous video is where we tried on 4 pairs of the ROKA glasses, and I picked a frame. I picked the Lola frame. And now we're gonna see how the prescription lenses look. These prescription lenses are significantly cheaper than the ones I usually get. These lenses were $300. These lenses are $80. I'm worried about lenses being thicker than mine because these are 1.74 high index and these are 1.67. I tried to ask if I could special order the 1.74 high index lens and they said no. Let's open the box and see what we got. Ooh, feels heavy. We open the box, another box. Oh, wow, this is a lot of boxes. Whoa, look! Here they are. They're so light. Hey, that actually looks pretty good. They don't look thick at all. They're not poking out of the frame, which is awesome. And I'll have to put these side by side, but they actually look pretty good. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited that they don't look super thick. First, I'm gonna remove the nose pads. I need the really big nose pads. Adeline, I'm supposed to try them on first. How do you like them?
Good.
Good? I'm gonna try on those glasses. Wow, whoa. It always feels weird when you try on new glasses. Hey, I don't think they look too bad, Adeline. It feels funny, like you're looking through a wavy mirror. But maybe I just have to get used to it. Adeline, which glasses do you like better? These old glasses or my new glasses?
Those old glasses.
Why do you like my old glasses better?
They look pretty and good.
These ROKA glasses don't look very pretty on me?
No!
You just said one looks better. I'm just wondering what your honest opinion is.
Both.
I've been wearing my glasses for the last 2 days. The distortion I was feeling was because my brain needed 20 minutes to get used to the new prescription, and now I see fine. The lenses to me are great. They're significantly cheaper, but I can't tell much of a difference. As long as I can see, I'm happy. One gripe so far is that my glasses on my nose does not sit evenly. This nose pad is touching my nose. The other one just floats over it. My glasses are always like, boop, a little this way. It's not noticeable, but I could tell. So I was trying to figure out why it was like that on my nose, and if you notice, one of the temple pieces are going slightly inward, the one on the right. So what I did was I printed out a sheet of graph paper to see if I was just being paranoid. That arrow that I'm doing without glasses. There you go, that arrow. Where it starts to curve inward, and I'll show you where it curves inward here. Yeah, right there is where it starts to curve inward. See? That's not right. So it's curving about 3 millimeters when it shouldn't be curving at all. Just to show you, I'm not being crazy. If I line this up on this 90-degree angle, that shouldn't be like that. It should be straight. And so that's why it's not sitting evenly on my face. One little gripe, but hopefully I can fix it. It's been 9 days since I've had these glasses. My gripe about the temples being a little misaligned is fine now. I don't notice it. If it is a problem, sometimes I'll notice I'll have to do that, but it seems to have corrected itself. Either the temples are just a little bit more flexible and it just doesn't bother me anymore. So to finish off this review, I thought I should do one more test, which is to test out these glasses in a workout, because it'd be pretty awesome to not have to put on your contacts every time you had to work out. So let's go to my treadmill. There it is. Oh, that's Arrow. I'm gonna watch Arrow. On my treadmill with my glasses on. That's weird. It's weird to wear glasses and work out. Oh yeah. 20 minutes. My glasses are down to here, but they're not falling off, so that's a bonus. Now we're going the fastest. I'm at 5 miles an hour, 5.8 miles an hour for till 25 minutes. Oh God. It's been 30 minutes. Whoa. Here's my proof. And just douse myself in water. I'm good and sweaty now. Woo. I didn't move my glasses. If you notice, they're like right at the tip of my nose. But let's see if it falls off, even though my face is super, it won't fall off. It went a little bit, but I don't think it'll fall off because there's so much texture back here with the temple pieces. Yeah, I don't think it would fall off. That's good. I don't really like that it's down to my nose, but better than regular glasses. I think if I didn't want to put on contacts and I just wanted to leave my glasses on, these would be the glasses to do it. Yeah. It's been 10 days and I'm ready to do my final review on the ROKA eyeglasses. Number one, they're very comfortable. It doesn't even feel like they're on your face. The only thing I do notice, and it's not that bad at all, is that the temple pieces hug my face. I feel pressure here, but it's not a big deal. You forget about it. When the pressure point is on your nose and on the back of your ears, it's uncomfortable. In addition, I like the ability to switch out the nose pads. So the nose pads are a little beefy. It just keeps it at the right place. By right place, it would be actually up here, but usually it falls down to here. Just a little lower than I would like, but it's better than most glasses. One thing they do advertise is how light their glasses are. So I was thinking I'd weigh these glasses to show you the difference. Here are my old glasses, 32 grams. ROKA glasses are 19.6 grams. That's like about 1/3 less weight than these ones. Number two, I did the sweat test and they did pretty well. I wasn't worried about them falling off my face. The fact that these bend in a little bit, they just hug your face and they'll just stay on. Number three, if you have a strong prescription, I really like that the size of these were just big enough and not too small enough to look nice, I think. Look at my eyes, and if I turn to the side, you could see my face is no longer straight. See how it's like different right there? You can always see it from the sides. Okay, here's my new glasses from ROKA. They're rounder lenses, and it doesn't look as distorted. Every optician I talked to kept pushing me to get smaller lenses. They said smaller lenses means your lenses won't be so thick, but it's really rounder lenses. For a 40mm lens height, small Lola frames, being round, these lenses look thinner than my other ones, so I definitely would go with the rounder shape. Number four, in terms of aesthetics, I think I would have liked a more polished frame. Polished frame looks a bit more expensive, so I think if it was shinier, it would be a little bit more desirable. I like these glasses so much that I decided I was gonna replace these Costco sunglasses with some ROKA sunglasses, and so I think my next video will be on those ROKA sunglasses when I get them in. After 10 days, which one do you like better?
This one.
What about the old ones?
The orange.
Okay, what about the new ones?
The orange.
You like the ones still? Told you, it's not shiny enough.
Hi, we are gonna open this package on the video. So here we go. Instead, this has a glasses on your eyes.
The plastic packaging was nice.
I think something just go there like trivia. And then when we are done looking at the notepad, we can read the instructions and open the glasses up. Here, look at this. And they come with a thing.
A desiccant.
The glasses come with a letter like the desiccant.
And where is it?
Yes. If your glasses are dirty,
Okay, girl.
You can only get one of these with the cloth. So I am Gecko. Hey, I am Gecko. I am Gecko. I am Gecko. I am Gecko.
What? Excuse me, ma'am. No!
And I try one of these with my kids' glasses. Now let's say bye. Bye! Subscribe!
Okay, Evelyn, what do you want to say?
Bye! Subscribe to our channel.
What?
Bye!
What? How do you know that? I never say subscribe to my channel. It's up to you. You decide. Too much YouTube.